Hey man, I know that I don't be posting videos on my YouTube account for a couple months or for like 1 year now. Where the YouTube name is Adelaide Cryptocurrencies. Because I've been busy trading account. This is a small account that I'm showing you from my the account, guys. This is forex trading. So what is this video is about? I'm making this video to show you guys how to make money by trading currencies. I know I used to invest my money on Bitcoin and making a lot of money with Bitcoin, and you guys could remember me about laser. You guys could remember me about laser. So I just want to post this video about trading the currencies. Now I'm on a USDK, and the market is just open, and I'm using this small account. This is a small account that I'm using right now. And if I show you guys the story from today is nothing. I'm not gonna. So we're on the USDK, and I'm trying to grow that $15 account to now we're on $20 profit. Now we're on $20 from there. If you see that, never mind. Yeah. What I'm really trying to say to you guys is I'll be upload my signal. They will be on my Telegram. So if you guys wanna join the Telegram and getting free signal from me, and you can enter earning making some good money. I'm actually doing this for free. I'm not asking nobody for money. Or anything like that. So we on this trade since last week. We opened the trade on Friday. That was on Thursday. That's the USDK. We bought it. I was planning to buy it from. I was planning to buy it all the way down. You see where I put my. Hold on. Let me see something. I was supposed to buy it on one. You see where I put the arrow right there all the way down. You see on 1.29 I was gonna buy it right here, but I have other position open and I couldn't. The account was too small for me to open more position on USDK. So if I did get it from here and then going all the way up, but I had this open from 1.300 something like that, like right there and the green. I had it open since last week right there, and then what I did right there was let me show you guys something. What I did right there was you see where hold on, give me a second. You see where, as you guys can see, it's a real account. You see where my buy is, and then my stop loss. It was, I put when I first opened it, my stop loss was under my buy, and I put it right there for that's like 10 pips right there, but it was very close. But when I see the market is going in my direction, so I moved the stop loss to break even, and right there. So that means if the market, I don't being too greedy to put it all the way up here and then the market drop. You see the market did it over here where it dropped, and then I'll be closing too early. I'm still gonna come out with profit, but it will be close too early. So I keep my stop loss right there, which is a couple cents. If it's drop down there, and then drop all the way down again, I'm still gonna come out with like a couple cents, maybe $1 or something, or $2. So I'm still gonna come with profit instead not coming with no profit. I mean, I don't lose money. So after this, I open another buys with 0.02 because the market is going my direction. I already have a buy all the way down there, and it's still up. So that, I mean, if I was actually like showing you guys my other big account, I'll be having 1.5 or 2 lot right here open, and then the market would be right here, so I should be in like 800, $700 in profit right here. So now I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the market to just go higher. You see the market went all the way up here and then dropped down again, and then that's when I wait for it to drop down over here and then do a reversing. And when it's right there, that's when I place my buying position again, which is 0.02, and I'm hoping it to go higher. I'm hoping the market to go is to go high all the way to 1.33 or higher than that. I'm not moving the market, guys. Like I can say, all I'm saying is that's my analyze that I did, not on my phone. I did not do the analyze on my phone. I did it on my computer, but I'm just showing you guys where I'm targeting to take profit, which is my first take profit is all the way up here, and the second one is right there. And let me show you guys something. Scroll down a little bit. Alright, you see right there, the market is right there, right? So I'm just gonna hold it until to get to my profit. And even if it reverse on me, I'm still gonna come out with profit. I'm still not gonna come out with negative balance. We on the $5 right now. You see what happened? The 0.02. We actually on profit right now. Now we on it's a $15 account. Now we on $21. So this was a $15 account, like 50, and I wasn't focused on trading it, and then it dropped down. But I'm gonna grow it up back to 100 or 200 this week, and then I will show you guys my result. I'm gonna start posting more on my YouTube account, and all I want you guys to do is just subscribe to my YouTube account and turn the notification on, and I'll put my Telegram link below if you guys want to link my strategy. And I have a private group if you guys want to be in it. You guys can contact me on Telegram and then ask me, and then I'll give you guys the prize to join the private group with other traders just like me. It's just like a community group, like everybody talking about what they're going to take, what they're going to do. So this week we're gonna planning to trade gold. This is gold right here. I'm planning to trade gold, and I was planning to like sell the gold right here when it went all the way up. I was going to sell it all the way up here, but at that time I wasn't in the market. I was busy, and I missed that position, because if I sold it right here and drop all the way right here, because I would definitely sell it for like two lot right here, and that should be $1,000 from here. And let's go on the 4 hours chart. Yeah, that should be, yeah, exactly, because I see that gap. When I go on my when I go on trading view and look at it, you don't really see the gap, but when you're looking at it on your phone, you could see it. That's exactly why I was gonna take the trade from all the way to 1609. I was gonna take it up there, but I missed that position, so it's alright. I'm still gonna come back. Gold is my baby. And you see that arrow? You see that arrow right there? Hold on, let me show you guys something. You see that arrow right here? That's where I bought gold last week. That was last week, yeah. And then it went up, and then I took profit, but I came out too early. I came out from here. I think I came out from here from 1538. I came out from 1538 with like $300. I'm not gonna show you guys my other account anyway, so I'm just making this video so you guys could see what I'm doing right now and why I wasn't really on YouTube and posting videos on my YouTube account. But I'm gonna come back with it. I'm going to come back as long as you guys supporting me and like this video and share this video with your friend on Facebook and anywhere else. And you guys will end up seeing me in a video which is showing you all myself, and my accent is crazy, I know that for sure, but I don't mind about it. I'm just trying to be a YouTuber, and I'm just focused on trading more, but I want to be a YouTuber at the same time. So I hope you guys can support me and go this YouTube account, and I'll help you guys know better knowledge for yourself and making money. Know how to be paying, learn how not to pay taxes, like living with the tax free. That's the type of mindset that I'm gonna help you guys having, and the Telegram group will be below. So peace out, guys. I don't have anything else to say. I'll just end this video right now, and make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe. And if I miss anything, make sure you guys comment below this video and tell me what else I should have mentioned in these videos. And I'm out.